The US Food and Drug Administration, the FDA, isn't usually known for making drastic statements. In mid-August, however, those responsible apparently saw the time for clear words. The authority announced via a tweet, "You are not a horse, you are not a cow. Now, seriously, everyone, stop it." The message was addressed to those who want to use the anti-worm drug Ivermectin against corona. The drug is mainly used in veterinary medicine, but it can also be used in humans. According to the FDA, it is not only of little help when used against corona, but on the contrary, if used incorrectly, it can have a dangerous side effect. They say animal products should never be attempted on oneself. The British Guardian quotes the FDA there. And ivermectin applications for animals are very different from those that are suitable for humans. And now the Republican Senator Rand Paul has spoken on the subject. He's considered an ardent supporter of the former US President Donald Trump. At an event in his state of Kentucky, Paul said to a group of supporters, "Your hatred of Donald Trump has broken these people so badly that they are no longer able to properly research it." That was reported by the Cincinnati Enquirer. And Paul said this to the FDA, obviously. Then the senator suggested that he was already taking the drug himself. He said, "Take someone like me who is in the thick of it. I can't tell you anything because they don't include ivermectin in their studies. They also do not investigate hydroxychloroquine without a hatred of Trump clouding their judgment." Paul said he was open to ivermectin. Hydroxychloroquine is a drug advertised by Trump, among others, whose effect against corona is massively doubted by the US authorities. The ex-president claims to have taken the drug himself. Senator Paul recently excelled as a disseminator of false information and conspiracy myths about corona. In mid-August, YouTube banned him for a week. In addition, a video of Paul was removed in which he spread false claims about the effectiveness of mouth and nose masks. The video does not comply with the rules on medical disinformation under COVID-19 on the platform. For Paul, it was the first strike, said a spokesman for YouTube. If there are 3 violations, it can be suspended for a longer period. Paul had claimed in the deleted video that masks would not protect against corona. We all know that's wrong. But he said they do not prevent infection. In a statement, Paul described the lock as censorship and against freedom of expression. He cited studies that would prove the ineffectiveness of cloth masks such as medical masks. He also attacked the US virologist and government advisor Anthony Fauci, who recently called for medical masks to be worn. And Paul said this was spread of lies. It's not the first time that Fauci and Paul have clashed. Most recently, during a US Congress hearing, Paul accuses the virologist of having lied to Congress in the past. It was about the question of what is known about the origin of the coronavirus. Fauci countered indignantly, "You have no idea what you're talking about." Yeah, I believe so. Critics accused the senator from Kentucky of wanting to score points with his behavior, especially with the right-wing electorate. And unfortunately, those people seem to never be gone. And I think we're going to have some fun years until 2024 with those guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bis gleich.